Hey guys, it's Maddie here, and today we're gonna be making fluffy slime. This is an example of the slime that I'm gonna be making. These are the ingredients you're gonna need to make fluffy slime. 16 ounces of glue, 1.5 spoons of baking soda, shaving cream, multi-purpose solution for contact lenses, and food coloring and glitter is optional. Now let's get started. I'm gonna pour my 16 ounces of glue into the bowl. Whoa. Break out some of the glue. Now you get the baking soda and pour it into the bowl with the glue. Make sure you wear safety goggles, kids. Next is the shaving cream. Okay, I think that's enough. And last is the multi-purpose solution for contact lenses. I'll now mix, and if you need more multi-purpose solution, keep pouring more. And keep mixing until it turns completely into slime. When you feel it hard, getting harder and harder, you can start mixing with your hands. Inside of the bowl, of course. And if you still need more multi-purpose solution, you just start adding and adding and adding more if you need more. And the slime should be ready. In 3, 2, 1, the slime is ready to be played with. And since food coloring is optional and I love to add color, I'm gonna add orange, and now I'm gonna put some of the orange onto the slime. And now I'm gonna put some purple. See what happens when I mix these two colors together. And now you will mix the slime. Now you knead the slime, with your hands until the color is all over the slime. I'm adding a little bit more orange. So I'm gonna keep kneading. Since the slime is pretty much of a golden color, I'm gonna add some golden color glitter. Okay, there we go. You can add as much glitter as you want, just not too much, because then it'll be too glittery and not as slimy. And now you can be free to play with your slime. That is homemade. And now I'm free to play. Well, we all are free to play with our homemade slime. Now, this is more of a galaxy slide now. With all this glitter. And this will be the end of how to make a fluffy slime. Have fun, like and subscribe, and bye! Now, we are going to stretch the slime. And this looks like a nebula.